Hello, in this tutorial we will write a Java program to print Floyd's triangle, and this is something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So we need to print one number, then two numbers, then three numbers, then four numbers, but we have to keep the count going on. So this is not very difficult. We have, let's say, number of rows 4, and we keep a number which will keep the counting track, and we start off a loop which starts from I, integer I equals to 1, I less than equals to number of rows, and I plus plus, and this will keep track of rows, and this will keep track of numbers. So in our first iteration we want to print only one number, so this will start from I equals to j equals to 1, and j less than equals to I, and j plus plus, and over here I print my what we say, a number, and I also increase my number for, so that in for next print I have my number increased, as you see in this triangle. And outside this loop I basically print a new line character, so that my next in the next iteration my row is on the next line. So far so good. Let's run and see if this works. And there you go, we have this printed. Let me give space over here as well, one space, so that numbers are some one space away. Okay, beautiful. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One number, two numbers, three numbers, four numbers. Perfect, beautiful. So what we are doing is we have taken number of rows, and we have taken a variable number which will keep track of these numbers, and we have outer loop which will be controlling number of rows, and then we have inner loop in which we are starting j with 1, and we are going up to I. So when in first iteration I will be 1, so this will print only one number. In second iteration I will be 2, so it will print two numbers, and in third iteration I'll be 3, so it will print three numbers. So based on that, we print our Floyd's triangle. I guess that's it with this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial with a new program.